Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you how I did my lights here, the setup. So usually, you know, with these JDM corners, it's just a little area lights up. I'll show like a little picture. But I kind of wanted this area to light up just to have a little bit more, you know, just fill this light in a little bit more. And then once I did that, I wanted to fill all of this. So I wired it differently. If you haven't done it, you know, you have your standard wires, and then you just take this guy right here. It has a green wire and a white and a black wire. And I just wanted to show you how I wired it. The white and black wire, you just connect it with the white and black wire, which is, I think, the ground. And then this green one, it's the one, if the plug is facing up, it's the one on the left. And I think the color is green with the little dots, so you can see. Green with the little, all right, that's not that good, sorry. Green with the little dots here. Okay, and this is how it looks. Turn it on. Cool. So that's how it looks now. It fills that whole area up right there. Pretty cool. And then when you turn your flashers on, it looks like this. Kind of looks like that. All right, so yeah, if you want to do that, that's how that looks. And you can put any bulb in there. You can put an orange one in there if you want to keep it orange, or I wanted to do the white. And then it goes back to white when it's not blinking, so it kind of fills in the whole thing. And it's really cool. It's this bulb here. I'll put a link in the description. Let's see, where'd it go? It's right here. It's a switchback. It's pretty awesome. I really like this. It's a switchback bulb. Oops, I think I just burned my shoe. That's great. Stepped on it. I was like, what's that smell? Yeah, definitely burned my shoe there. But yeah, so this right here, it's a switchback. I love it. I mean, it's one of my favorite LED bulbs. So I'll put a link in the description below. You can get like a discount too if you want. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys how to do that. Hope you like it. I know I certainly do. Cool. All right, thanks for watching, guys.